Leaks not from a fouled membrane. There are 4 areas to check that could be causing the leak which may not be from a fouled membrane. They are: seals around the glass. Seals seem to shrink over time, causing gaps to occur. These voids allow water transfer inside the home. Reseal the void using the joint adhesive. 2. Clogged overflow holes in metal tracks allow water to build up and transfer under the door. Clean these out during your cleaning process. 3. Missing flashing under the door. Seems to be missing every second job we attend and can be easily sealed up with a combination of the joint adhesive and the membrane. 4. Pipes located within the balcony are leaking. Not our job. Call a plumber or leak detection company. Usually, by the time you are called to the site, the owners have checked the above and the leak detector or plumber who did the pressure test has identified it as a fouled waterproof membrane. But it does not hurt for you to check and rectify items 1 to 3 when you're on site doing your application. Remedial Membranes does not offer a leak detection service or training. Please be sure to supply the terms of service with your quotes so that the owners have the proper expectation of what to expect after the membrane's completion. Please read the terms of service and ask any questions.